Hello guys, welcome to another English activity. Today we are working on our project number 1, week number 2 for second vocabulary. And the English activity is why is nutrition so important during the COVID-19 pandemic? We have a reading. In this section, it says that this pyramid, the pyramid that I'm going to show you, this pyramid was created in 1992. It was created in 1992 and is divided into 6 horizontal sections. These sections, let me find here, are horizontal. One section, section number 2, section number 3, section number 4, and section number 5 and 6 because it contains fat, oils, and sweets. So this is the pyramid that our reading is talking about. The first section, vegetables. Vegetable is a part of a plant consumed by humans that is generally savory but it's not sweet. It means it has flavor but it's not sweet. A vegetable is not considered a grain, fruit, nut, spice, or herb. For example, the stem, root, flower. Root is raíces, no? So may be eaten as vegetables. Vegetables contain many vitamins and minerals. However, different vegetables contain different balance of micronutrients. So it is important to eat a wide variety of types. For example, examples of vegetables. Orange, and dark green vegetables typically contain vitamin A. Dark green vegetables contain vitamin C, and vegetables like broccoli and related plants contain iron and calcium. Iron refers to hierro. Let's see our pyramid here. So this section, the section of vegetable is over here, vegetables. Over here is the section. The next section, grains. Grains, this food in Spanish it means granos. These foods provide complex carbohydrates which are a good source of energy and provide much nutrition when unrefined. Examples include corn, wheat, pasta, and rice. Wheat se refiere a la avena. Let's see our pyramid here. Here is the section of grains because it contains wheat, and wheat is avena and is considered as a grain. Let's continue with our other section, fruits. In terms of food, rather than botany, fruits are the sweet-tasting seed-bearing part of plants, or occasionally sweet part of plants, which do not bear seeds. These include apples, oranges, grapes, banana, etc. Fruits are low in calories and fat and are a source of natural sugar. Something important about fruit is that it contains natural sugar, and natural sugar is good for our health. So, where is fruit here in our pyramid? Fruit is over here. Fruits like this, like watermelons, like apples, pineapples, pears, bananas. They are considered section number 3. Dairy. Dairy products are produced from milk of mammals. This is important. Mammals means mamíferos. Milk, leche. Usually, but not exclusively cattle. No tiene que ser exactamente de ganado. They include meat, jaguar, and cheese. Milk and its derivated products are a rich source dietary calcium and also provide protein, phosphorus, vitamin A, vitamin D. Dairy is in this section, right? Let's see here. Milk, yogurts, etc. This section is considered dairy. Meats and beans. Meats from the word in Spanish, carne, beans, and it means granos. Meat is the tissue, usually muscle, of the animal consumed by humans. Since most part of many animals are edible, edible means que son comestibles, que se los puede comer. There is a vast variety of meats. Of course, it is right. Hay una gran cantidad de variedad de carnes. Meat is a major source of protein, as well as iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. Meat, poultry, and fish include beef, chicken, pork, salmon, tuna, shrimp, and eggs. Those all are considered as this pyramid. This is considered beans and meat. The last section, and it is not recommended, y esta sección no es muy recomendada, oils and sweets, aceites y dulces. A food pyramid tip is the smallest part. Can you see here is the smallest part? Es la parte más pequeña. So it means that you can eat a lot of quantity of this section. A modest quantity of this section and it goes down y se va decreciendo porque estas cantidades necesitan ser consumidas en menos proporciones a diario, ¿no? Por eso existe en forma de pirámide. A lot of this, mucho de esto. A control measure of this, una medida controlada de esta, and so on, y así constantemente, ¿no? There are two activities, right? Two activities. Answer the following question. Why do you think nutrition is so important during COVID-19 pandemic? ¿Por qué crees que la nutrición es importante durante la pandemia? Here in your own words. Aquí entonces usted escribe en sus propias palabras, ¿ya? This activity is gonna be yours. How can you get your family engaged in nutrition? ¿Cómo puedes hacer que tu familia todas estén comprometidas con la nutrición familiar? ¿Cómo puedes hacer que eso suceda? And finally, I have the last activity. Oh, I have lost my activity. Let me find it. The last activity is to make this pyramid. So, you have to draw this pyramid. Aquí vamos a completar poniendo los elementos que lo vas a hacer en tu brochure. Un brochure viene a ser su tríptico que se está pidiendo ya para este proyecto, ¿no? En una sección de tu tríptico, separa un espacio para que hagas esta actividad en inglés. Pones los nombres, por ejemplo, aquí dice vegetables y pones aquí nombres de vegetales, ¿ya? No pongamos imágenes porque las imágenes no nos ayudan a entender mejor el inglés. Aquí en la pirámide. Fruits, pones nombre de frutas. Bread, cereal, pasta, rice. Aquí en este caso, bread. Puedes poner nombres de panes en inglés. Cereal, puedes poner marcas. Pasta, puedes poner tipos de pasta. Rice, tipos de arroz. Fat, sweets, nombres de marcas de dulces, etc. O sea, esta actividad la vamos a hacer netamente en letra. Aquí vamos a usar mucho vocabulario en inglés, no imágenes. Y esta actividad va a ir a nuestro brochure, que es nuestro tríptico para presentarlo al final del proyecto número 1. Entonces, jóvenes, les dejo las actividades. Lean con más atención cada paso de aquí. No lo pude leer todo por completo porque obviamente me tomaría mucho tiempo, ¿no? Entonces, tres actividades, tres actividades, las dos preguntas A y B, y la pirámide que la van a hacer en su tríptico. So thank you for watching this video. Goodbye. See you then.